God.
Easy go.
Hey, what going on, boy, guys? It's 35 here today, guys, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to get Fortnite on your mobile device. Yeah, Android. Okay. So you wanna go search, and you wanna type in Fortnite, right? Now you're gonna scroll down because right now you're looking for their website, which is Epic Games, right? So let's see what's going on. Oh, here we go, Epic Games. Now we're on their website, right? As you can see, guys, it's showing you where you guys can join, right? You can join for free, guys. So I'm already joined, so I'm just gonna press X. Now play free, right? You're gonna press play free. Now it's gonna say play free now, so you're gonna press that too, right? Yeah. This is where it's gonna ask you if you're using an iPhone or a Samsung. So guys, I'm using a Samsung, so it's already gonna recognize that. Okay. Now right here, when you press the type of phone you're using, you're gonna see download right here, right? So normally where the open is, you're gonna see download right there. So I already downloaded. So guys, just follow the terms, right? Just press it and just download it, right? So I'm gonna go in and open my thing, okay? So you guys can see what's going on. So I'm just going and load this thing, okay? See what's going on right now. So yeah, we're waiting on it to load up Fortnite, okay? So okay, it's gonna say that starting up Fortnite time. Yeah. You guys just wait on it, okay? It's gonna take a while to download. For instance, when I say a while, I'm talking about like 6 minutes or 5 minutes. I think about 5 minutes to be exactly. Pretty much, if your guy's phone is pretty much fast, it's probably gonna take like 2 minutes, like my phone, to install and download. Okay, so I'll show you guys what's going on. Oh, and here we go. Let's see what's going. Still waiting on it to get on Fortnite. So here we go now. We're waiting on the server and stuff. Okay. So guys, as I said, it's really good. This will be my first time playing. Second time at least, because I tried out single player or something like that. Solo. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it. Try it out again. Show you guys what's going on. Yeah. As you can see on the map, it show you most of everything. It's gonna pop up and show you at first time. Yeah, how you place this stuff and yeah, objects and things. So how do you enter in? It's gonna show you everything. So don't worry, guys. Show you guys what's going on. It's pretty good, man. You guys can see it. Yeah. Pretty much good, right? And you guys can see. Whoa. What are you guys doing? What's it? Oh, I see. It was a training instruction, okay? So alright. You go somewhere. I'm just gonna. You can play somewhere on your map and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just jump out right now. So I can somewhere my position, so I can get a kill or something. Yeah. Guys, we're playing Fortnite on our Samsung Android device. we're going over there. Probably a lot of people there. I don't see anyone drop though, but over here they're surprising and stuff. Anyone could have been over here. I think you want to look for a gun, Chris. Where's his gun? I'm gonna go ahead and look for a gun because the rest of you guys, I think you guys need to find a gun. Whoa. Got my shield already. Oh, I see someone right here. You see that? I'll throw on my shield, okay? In case no one pops up on me, right? I did not hope in that chest, you know, right? So that means someone is here. Okay. Let's check here. No, someone is here with me. Because I see something. Oh, there you go. Oh, that person's gonna try to come close, right? Because you know I don't got a lot of stuff on me right now. But I'm gonna try, you know. This guy's a Chris 35 here and we don't afraid of no one, you know. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna run away, you know. Dude, probably that person have a good gun and stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and look for something right now, and then I go back for that person, you know. The game is all about that though, but I was just trying to show you guys what's going on. Oh, found the chest. That's what I should do a long time ago. No. You wanna play with me? Come on. You wanna play? I think that person have a... No. You hear it, right? You're gonna die. Damn. Guys, it was a good game though. That's Fortnite for you guys on mobile, you know? So, wow. Pretty much good, man. Shit. Woo! Guys, for the next video, okay?